very exciting for us is our new range of Keychron keyboards. So unfortunately, we underestimated demand, and the first shipment that came in is almost sold out. So Keychron was born out of a couple of guys who wanted to make a replacement for a Mac keyboard. They developed the K1 as their first keyboard. So this is the K1. This is the slimmest mechanical keyboard in the world. So it's a low profile keyboard available in RGB and white lighting. The Kickstarter, so this was released on Kickstarter. The company didn't know whether they could produce 1,000 as an MOQ. They received $2 million on their first round of investment through Kickstarter. So the great thing about these keyboards is their switches. So the switches are available in Keychron switches, Keychron hot swappable switches, optical switches, as well as hot swappable optical switches. They're also available in red, brown, and blue. Some of the new keyboards are also available in black and some other switches. So if I were to show you the K8, so this is the K8 keyboard. This is available in 27 variants. It's available in white, in RGB, hot swappable, as well as optical switches, as well as a metal frame and a plastic frame. So at the moment, we brought in the RGB range in an aluminium frame. We will be adding the plastic range as well as the white LEDs. The switches are also available for replacement. So in the box, you get a key remover as well as a switch remover. The keyboard comes standard with Apple buttons. So it also comes with your replacement key, so you can replace for Windows. The keyboards are Bluetooth, and they have a switch on them that you can switch between Windows and Android or iOS and Mac. So fully compatible with all devices out there, and really a great solution. The difference is you get low profile switches, which is very thin, as well as your normal switches. So a great product range. You can find it on our website, and we will be adding the white LEDs and the plastic housings as a more cost-effective option in the near future. So really, please look at our website, and you'll see the fantastic range of Keychron.